Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for journaling. Digital journaling offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to organize your thoughts and memories with ease. Notion stands out as a versatile tool, providing a highly customizable environment perfect for personal reflection. We'll start by showing you how to set up a basic journal page, ensuring you have a dedicated and accessible space for all your daily entries. This approach helps maintain consistency and makes revisiting past thoughts straightforward. Now, let's build the foundation for your journal. Start by creating a new database in Notion, which will house all your entries. Next, add crucial properties like a date field to track when you write, a mood selector to capture your feelings, and tags for easy categorization of topics. To streamline your process, set up a template button. This allows you to generate a new, pre-formatted journal entry with just one click, saving you valuable time each day. Making your journal entries engaging is key to a fulfilling experience. Notion allows you to enrich each entry with images, web links, and even embedded videos, transforming simple text into a dynamic record. Explore different database views, like a calendar to see entries by date or a gallery for visual browsing. Consider adding reflective prompts directly into your templates. These can guide your thoughts and encourage deeper self-exploration, making each journaling session more meaningful. To elevate your journaling, consider some advanced techniques. Link your journal entries to other Notion pages, like project notes or goal trackers, creating a rich web of interconnected information. Establish recurring reminders to prompt you daily or weekly, ensuring you maintain a consistent journaling habit. You can also integrate simple habit tracking directly into your entries, allowing you to monitor progress on personal goals alongside your reflections. These methods help maximize the value you gain from your Notion journal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.